So with the temperatures rising like crazy, it's really hot, and I keep thinking of different ways to have my coffee. And I thought, why not just make this Vietnamese iced coffee? People also call it Thai iced coffee. You can choose whichever country you want, but trust me, this is amazing. You can. I'm just gonna mention and emphasize on this. You can make this with instant coffee powder instead of using a brewing coffee or like a decoction. I used a decoction. I brewed it using my filter coffee maker. But I'm just telling you, if you don't have that, please just go for instant coffee powder. This is really, really, really nice. And it's okay if you don't use a decoction. If you just want to enjoy a nice drink, it's okay if you're not going like super authentic. Like, no caffeine police is going to show up at your doorstep, so you're safe. So yeah, you just need condensed milk, coffee, ice, and water. That's it. So here we go. This is the filter coffee maker I'm going to use. It's very similar to the Vietnamese filter press. This is the bottom compartment that's going to collect the decoction. This is the press thingy, and this is the compartment where the brewing and the straining is going to happen. I'm going to place it there. Then I'm going to add in my ground coffee. I'm using about a tablespoon and a half. Then I'm going to place the press on top, and from there it's going to drip and collect there. I'll go get the hot water. I'm going to use about 1/3 cup of hot boiling water. Be careful when you're pouring and when you're handling the filter coffee maker, because it's made of steel and it gets pretty hot, so don't burn yourself. I'll cover it, then I'll check on it after 15 minutes. 15 minutes later, and it's done. I got a tall glass that I'm going to make it with. The decoction has collected into the bottom compartment. I'm going to pour it into the glass, and some more. Next, I'm going to add in my condensed milk. I'm using this Amul Mithai made. I'm going to add about a tablespoon. Also, I did not realize the spoon is not going to fit into the glass. So, I'll just use a straw. And I'm going to lick the spoon, obviously. Also, you can add more condensed milk if you want. I added how much I needed for it to be sweet as per my preference, but you can add more. Next, water, ice, and more decoction. Then I'm going to give it a nice stir. I love this sound. It smells amazing, and I'm gonna go enjoy it. Wait, we're not done yet. I'm also going to show you how to make this with instant coffee powder. I'm adding 1 teaspoon instant coffee powder. I use Nescafe Classic. Then I'm gonna pour in some hot boiling water. Next, the condensed milk that I'm going to mix in with a spoon. Mix it nicely, and you have prepared the hot version, which tastes beautiful. Also, you can make this like the iced version. Just use some ice and a tall glass, and you're done. Because I already had the iced version, I thought I'll try the hot one this time. I hope you try these recipes and let me know what you think. Also, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. That would mean a lot to me, and it would help me grow. So, bye.